What's the meaning of blazer? Blazer. Blazer.
Blazer. Blazer. A blazer is a type of jacket that is often worn in formal or semi-formal settings. The term blazer typically refers to a single-breasted jacket that has been tailored with a sharp fit and is typically made from wool, cotton, or a synthetic blend of materials. Blazers are often characterized by their solid colors or subtle patterns, such as pinstripes or herringbone weaves, and are commonly worn with dress pants, skirts, or jeans. Originally, blazers were worn by boating clubs and rowing teams as a way to display team colors and unify members. Today, blazers have become a stylish and versatile wardrobe staple for both men and women.